Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to check backup photos in Google Drive. Full 2026 guide. Step by step, I'll explain everything in a simple and easy way, so you can follow along without any trouble. All right, let's jump straight into it. Now, on your computer, open your browser and go to photos.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. All your backed up photos will appear instantly in your library. To check storage used by photos, go to drive.google.com and click Storage on the left. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process of how to check backup photos in Google Drive. Full 2026 guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming guides.